What the fuck is going on, dudes and dudettes? Alright, so today we're going to be talking about Ohm's Law. I'm going to get right into this shit so you can learn as much as possible, as fast as possible, and get the fuck on with your day. Alright, so this is Ohm's Law. Big fucking bright letters. You got your Ohm's Law triangle right here. Voltage, your amps, your resistance. If you're coming down, you would divide. So volts and resistance, you divide that by that. It's pretty fucking simple, and if it's your amps to your resistance, you multiply. I'll get more into the equation right here in a minute. So V stands for volts in this equation, which is the pressure of the electricity running through the system. Current slash amps is I, the flow of the electricity, or the amount of electricity flowing through the system. And your resistance and ohms for R is how the coil withstands the flow. Pretty fucking simple. So here's your battery diagram. This is a current. This is your resistor, which would be your coil. So the 18650 batteries, excuse me, usually run at 3.7 volts, assuming battery sag, and then a pretty average one is 20 amps. So if you have a 20 amp battery, plug it in right here for I, and your volts, 3.7 volts, you're trying to find the resistance. Now if you divide 3.7 by 20, you get 0.185, so you're running a 0.19 ohm coil. And here's the equation to figure out how many watts that would be if you're running an unregulated mod, which it's really the only reason you need to learn Ohm's Law if you're running an unregulated mod. So V, voltage, I, amps, equals W. This is one way. I prefer this way. So plug it in. Volts 3.7 times amps 20, 74 watts. Same over here. I squared times your resistance, which is 400. So 20 times 20, 400. Your resistance, plug it in, 0.185. You get 74 watts. They both work the same way, guys. Now, for these mods, I like to run at least a 0.2. It's close enough. You can just plug it in. For your current, again, it's 400. Just transfer it over. Then your resistance, plug it in for 0.2. You get 80 watts. I like this vape way better. It's a nicer draw, nice flavor, nice cloud production. Alright, sorry for that. So basically this is what I wrote down when I was learning. This was simple as shit. So this is your triangle. This is the first diagram. The highlighted box is the answer box for all these situations. Everything can be reversed. If you're looking for your voltage, you just plug in these numbers. If you're looking for your current, you plug in the other numbers. It's pretty fucking simple, guys. You always know two variables, and you're always looking for one variable. Most of the time, it will be the resistance, because if you have the battery, there's really no reason why you should be looking for voltage or amps. If you don't know your battery, you shouldn't be fucking using mech mods, guys. Alright, so this is basically what I just told you. These are the formulas I just told you, and if you just pause the video real quick, take a look at this. You can learn everything just by the arrows. These words right here, that says answer, that says answer, just to let you guys know. And want I means you want the I to equal this number. And the arrow points to where it's going. Pretty fucking simple, guys. Alright, and here's more diagrams. Your practice. 3.7 divided by 20, pretty standard numbers. You get 0.18. 5 actually, but I put 0.18. Alright, and then here's your battery. Another diagram. This is actually a more correct diagram compared to this one. But this one is just for the sake of a visual. This would be your RDA. Do not run fucking tanks on your unregulated mods. Don't fucking do it. So either RDAs or RTAs. Now I rounded it up for this one. It's a 0.2 with a 3.7. And I don't know why that came out to... Oh, that was when I was figuring out the current. I was just plugging in numbers, practicing for every variable spot, interchanging. But yeah, usually the standard is 20 amps, so don't even worry about that. But definitely practice this yourself. Try and learn as much as you can. And yeah, so that's everything today, guys. Thanks for watching. Just a little tip, you should always know your volts Always know your amps, and you should always look for the resistance. Alright guys, a little over 5 minutes here. Thanks for watching. Like the video. If you like the video, subscribe for more. And yeah, peace out guys.